There's no substitute for hard work and getting out there and busting your butt at whatever it is. Nothing comes easy. You can overcome so much just through hard, focused work. Success at anything will always come down to this, focus and effort. And we control both. There is no substitute for hard work. Always be humble and hungry. Check your ego at the door. The ego can be the great success inhibitor. It can kill opportunities, and it can kill success. Being a true badass has no weight or gender requirement, just 100% commitment to greatness. My work, my goal, my life, it's like a treadmill. And there's no stop button on my treadmill. Once I get on, I just keep going. Grind hard, shine hard. Don't be afraid to be ambitious about your goals. Hard work never stops. Neither should your dreams. When life puts you in tough situations, don't say why me. Just say try me. All success begins with self-discipline. It starts with you. Don't focus on the pain. Focus on the progress. I don't know if I'm in the man, but I do know that I got lucky. I worked my butt off and I caught a break. It all starts with this, 2 hands. Putting in work. My dad always said too that regardless of what you do in life, and where you go, respect is going to be given when it is earned, and you have to go out and earn it every single day. Be you. Be yourself, whether it's in entertainment, whether it's out in public, whether you're a celebrity or not, the most powerful thing you can be is yourself. If something stands between you and your success, move it. Never be denied. What's the key to success? The key is, there is no key. Be humble, hungry, and the hardest worker in any room. Blood, sweat and respect. First 2 you give, last 1 you earn. The first step to achieving your goal is to take a moment to respect your goal. Know what it means to you to achieve it. It's one thing to be hungry, it's another thing when you're starving for greatness and you're starving for success. Sometimes you find success and sometimes you don't, but my satisfaction is knowing I'll always control my effort with my own 2 hands. 2-hand philosophy. If I can't earn it, then I don't want it. My hands might be calloused up and scarred up with a knuckle or 2 missing, poor punching form, but they're mine and serve as my daily anchors for putting in the work. Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than the day before. It all adds up. Success isn't always about greatness, it's about consistency. Consistent, hard work gains success. I grew up where, when a door closed, a window didn't open. The only thing I had was cracks. I'd do everything to get through those cracks, scratch, claw, bite, push, bleed. Now the opportunity is here. The door is wide open, and it's as big as a garage. In 1995 I had $7 in my pocket and I knew 2 things, I'm broke as hell and one day I won't be. I like to use the hard times in the past to motivate me today. The single most powerful thing I can be is to be myself. I grew up where, when a door closed, a window didn't open. The only thing I had was cracks. I'd do everything to get through those cracks, scratch, claw, bite, push, bleed. Now the opportunity is here. The door is wide open, and it's as big as a garage. You don't need directions, just point yourself to the top and go. Wake up determined. Go to bed satisfied. Let your actions do your talking for you. You either play the game or let the game play you. Unapologetically push for greater and always disrupt expectations. Success isn't overnight. It's when every day you get a little better than the day before. It all adds up. With drive and a bit of talent you can move mountains. We do today what they won't, so tomorrow we accomplish what they can't. Think back 5 years ago. Think of where you're at today. Think ahead 5 years and what you want to accomplish. Be unstoppable. My goal was never to be the loudest or the craziest. It was to be the most entertaining. Training for me is a metaphor for life, period. The dedication, the determination, the desire, the work ethic, the great successes, and the great failures, I take that into life. It's not about the car you drive. It's about the size of your arm hanging out of the window. I'll never, ever be full. I'll always be hungry. Obviously, I'm not talking about food. Growing up I had nothing for such a long time. Someone told me a long time ago and I've never forgotten it. Once you've ever been hungry, really, really hungry, then you'll never, ever be full. So I'll always be hungry in some way, driven and motivated to get what I want. The road to success and greatness is always paved with consistent hard work. Outwork your competitors, be authentic, and above all else, chase your greatness. Football changed my life and it gave me a platform to get out my aggression and it gave me a sense of value. The wall. Your success is on the other side. Can't jump over it or go around it. You know what to do. Failure's not an option. It's just a step. It ain't the 99% who's not putting in the relentless hard work that I care about. It's the 1% who is. Always be you, play chess, not checkers, and always play the long game. By 23 years old, I failed at achieving the biggest dream of my life. My ass was kicked and I was down, but not out. I refused to give up, got back up and pushed on. Do not go gentle, cause that rent is always due. Our ancestors are always watching, so as long as I have a heartbeat and two capable hands, we handle business and finish the job. The men I idolized built their bodies and became somebody, like Sylvester Stallone and Arnold Schwarzenegger, and I thought, that can be me. So I started working out. The funny thing is I didn't realize back then that I was having a defining moment. Playing in the NFL was the best thing that never happened, because it got me here. The prep is where the character is made. Vision, guts and enthusiasm. 3 qualities I feel you always gotta have to have a shot at success. Have faith that on the other side of your pain, is something good. When I was a kid, my old man would always tell me, a day without pain is like a day without sunshine. I'm an entrepreneur, founder and industrialist, and I absolutely love what I do, which is putting in the work with my own 2 hands. First one in, last one out. I know it may sound crazy, but I try to keep the hard times of the past in the forefront of my mind, because it allows me to live every day with a greater perspective, purpose and gratitude. Dreams ain't just for dreamers. As a little boy, my dad was always the hardest working man I knew. Now as a man, I understand where many of my old habits come from. Shared DNA. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget subscribe and follow our channel.